Hey, come check out the Malecon in Puerto Vallarta with us today.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
Puerto Vallarta!
All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing.
Remarkable Life. I'm KJ.
This is Craig.
And we are going to go discover the Malecon here in Puerto Vallarta. Let's go.
Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight.
I'm just trying to remember the last time I was here. I don't remember there being all this stuff. It's been a long time. Well, to this part of Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah.
This is a good one. Everybody gets to enjoy the Malecon. So, the Puerto Vallarta Malecon is actually quite beautiful. We're on a bridge right now that walks over a little river, a little tidal river. There's a lot of lookouts. There's the big pier with the big sail, the iconic sail. We're gonna walk out here on this little pier right now with a lookout. It's kind of nice, and I'll show you that view. So there's several of those along here. Lots of art, lots of hotels, lots of restaurants, oceanfront bars, those types of things. So it makes for a very nice walk for the day. It's about a mile or a kilometer and a half from one end to the other, and it goes from approximately the pier with the sail, all the way down to, I believe, Nuevo Vallarta, which is the new part of town. So it's pretty big, pretty massive, and there's lots to do. You could pretty much spend an entire day here.
Oh, good. Probably spend a week here.
Yeah. And just off of the Malecon is a lot of the cultural or downtown sections. The Romantic Zone is here at one end. You've got churches, you've got plazas, you've got lots of sites of interest to see. So you can work your way from the Malecon and just a couple of blocks in and see all the little shops and stores and historic areas, historic part of town, and then all of the new stuff that's building up as we go. KJ was here about 20 years ago, and half of this wasn't here, so it was kind of...
it's been crazy built up.
Yeah, so... Okay, let's take a walk. That was really neat.
Craig tried on many hats.
Yeah, I can't find one better than this one. I don't know. Anyway, there's a lot to do in there. Actually, we could have spent another hour in there.
Oh, at least.
You have to kind of quickly walk through. One little tip in Mexico, when vendors try to sell you something, for anyone, it's more important to remember that in Mexico you don't say no. No is rude. You say gracias, thank you, gracias.
And wave your hand.
And kind of, do your finger like this if they persist. That is the very polite way to say no, gracias, gracias, and keep going. Just a tip.
I feel good. Yeah.
Aquí estamos en los arcos.
Una más.
Aquí estamos en los arcos. So this sculpture was done by Sergio Bustamante, and we actually saw his gallery in Tlaquepaque. His art is really characterized by these human figures with like these triangle heads. It's really cool.
I feel good when I'm with you, darling. It's crazy how things change. Yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. So won't you stay? Yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away, stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. Oh, I can't stay away, stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I feel good. 'Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open.
So that's the Puerto Vallarta Malecon. We took a walk almost all the way down it. It ends about at Hotel Rosita if you need a landmark. But this is a beautiful little area with all the pelicans and seabirds, and we're just gonna sit here and take it in. So if you have we found the same swinging bridge that we were on the last time we came down. This is fun.
Sounds snooty.
Allergies to earrings. Maybe just
Stop, KJ. I'm not. Oh.
Feel good when I'm with you, darling. So won't you stay? Yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away.
And if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. Hey, and don't forget, check out our video over here where we hung out with our friends the other day who came in on a cruise ship. Check it out.
Don't forget to follow us and learn about our adventures in Mexico as expats.
We're on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
What? Go. Look at this.
Go
Look
now.
At this. Why don't you want to see more?
Yeah.